Hi, my name is Caroline, and this is my screencast. I'm an elementary education major at LSU, and I have no prior experience with creating websites or anything like that. And the intended audience for this website is an elementary school classroom and the students and parents. This is my homepage, and it's called Caroline's Classroom, and it says, "Hi, my name is Caroline. Welcome to my class page. I'm so excited to start off the school year, and I hope that this website can help you. This site is for you to learn more about me and useful information about my class for my students and their parents and guardians. All of my contact information is located at the bottom of the page. If you have any further questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me." There are tabs at the top for different pages of my website, and my blog is linked at the bottom of the page. This is my blog, and there are 3 blog posts, one on wikis, another on copyright, and an introduction and expectations post. This is my biography page, and it includes a picture of me and my biography. This is my resources page, which includes a lot of valuable resources with a lot of information for me and for my students and their parents. This is my choice page, which just includes some of my favorite resources. Here's my tech projects page, which includes a slideshow about shapes found on LSU campus and a slideshow about mammals. This page has my digital story on it, which was about butterfly metamorphosis. Here's the mobile app page, which includes an evaluation / review of the app Google Classroom. Here's my PLN PLE page, which goes into what a PLN is and some examples of them, and what PLEs are, and this is some reviews and reflections on different PLEs. This is the website evaluation page, which includes my website evaluation and review of the website ABC Yeah, which is a educational gaming site for kids. I can see this website being useful to me and my intended audience because it has a lot of valuable information and it's easily accessible for everybody, and it is a great tool and resource for parents, other teachers, and students. The only changes I would make to my website are probably adding more pictures maybe, and adding more information and resources for kids.